In this tutorial I'll be looking at how to customize hotkeys. What's a hotkey is probably your next thought. In PowerDirector 11, the process of removing a clip will bring up three choices. Right click on a clip, select remove. The hotkey is the delete on your keyboard. Three choices appear: remove and leave gap, remove and move clips on the same track, remove and move all timeline clips after removed clip. Did you also notice the hotkeys? The quicker editing tool: Shift plus delete, Control plus delete, Alt plus delete. Choice made and the clip is removed without any timeline movement and a gap remains. Click undo to return to previous appearance. Shift plus delete on the keyboard and the clip is removed without any timeline movement and a gap remains. Quicker than using the other method. To find out what the hotkeys are, bring up the help menu hotkey list. Shift F12 is the hotkey. Look at the list of what and where the hotkeys are. Application menu bar hotkeys is the list I check out. Read through and see if you can use a few. The aim is to make our editing experience easier and the tasks quicker. I certainly don't use all the hotkeys. I can't remember them all. The list is comprehensive and hotkeys cover many tasks, but not all. Now to the next level. Go to Edit, select Keyboard Hotkeys, Customize. Customize Keyboard Hotkeys dialog box pops up. The keyboard shortcut was next to Customize. Did you spot it? Hotkey Alt and H. In the Edit section, click on Workspace. Up pop some commands and no hotkeys show in. At some point a hotkey will make the task easier. Now we have to decide what hotkeys to call up. What keyboard commands are easy to initiate and memorable. Here's what you could do. For link video and audio, Alt plus A works. I don't use that command very often. Alt plus Q, unlink video and audio. Yeah, a useful hotkey to have. Alt plus W and Alt plus E. Oh, no, these are very handy. My right hand's on the mouse, highlight the clips in the tracks, and then Alt plus W with my left fingers. Easy, task done. Hotkeys don't have to be added to everything, just the ones you need. How do I know what keys to choose? Other than look up what has been selected previously, PowerDirector will help. I'll show you. Click on one. I've chosen remove all music beat markers. Now I type in a hotkey. See what pops up? A warning. I've duplicated the hotkey of another command and the program queries my instruction. Good. In this case and most others, you'll cancel the action. The default hotkeys can be restored easily if you make a mistake. Adding Alt plus Z is a good choice. Hotkeys have been customized. Select OK. That's the title for our hotkeys. I'll call them Edit Workspace New. In the Customize Keyboard Hotkeys, there now is a new hotkey added with the PowerDirector default hotkeys. Switch choices with a click. After adding a customized hotkey, we have to check out if we did it right. Yes, that easy. Thank you for watching my tutorial on Customize Hotkeys. Now you have a go.